Okay, here we go. This is our Sikihor house update, guys. So we're here in the garage, and as you can see, we have this drainage, and it is made of um, the cover of this drainage is made of angle bars and 16 rebars that was sitting here all alone, and we use this one like all these are scrapped, were scraps, and it's still usable, right? So we have this cover of the drainage here, and also it's also a unsay pangalan, agianan. Agianan sa mga pipes. So this is also the for our what do you call this, water system. So in aside from the rain water, it is also a passageway for our water system. We have all the pipes here, all the these pipes coming from the well. So this is very useful because whenever we have a change for the PVC pipes, we can also easily to take this out the cover and repair if anything goes wrong. And here, um, okay, they add up also the 3 meters. 3 meters. I think if that is three, I think yeah, it is a 3 meters cemented driveway. So it to prevent muds whenever there's a rain. And here we go. This is also the newly added to our house. This is the 3D tiles. This 3D tiles is also the same as the tiles that we have here in our wall. So our exterior wall. So this is because we still have enough for this part. So we managed to fill the front area with these 3D tiles. Okay, let's go, and I'll tour you around again for our side part of the house. All right, this is our service. These two bikes, one for Sean and one for mine. So whenever you know we go somewhere, we have these bikes with us. And okay, please um don't mind the messy part because they're still are still ongoing doing the 3D parts here. So as you can see, they're doing something here to add the 3D area, the 3D tiles area. So they're almost done here on this side. So this is also the same as the front part. So this is the tiles that they already uh, added here. And also you can see here, um, we already have a nice patio or lower part patio here. So it is a 3 meters patio. um yeah, and we have small plants here. So this was all given by our dear friend, our friend here in the island. So I need to um taking good care of that. And yeah, what else? Yeah, we have enough space here for our yards. You know, we add some grasses here, and we trim our tree here on this side of the house. So you can see it's so hot. It is morning time here, but at least no more um no more leaves that can direct to the roof, because it will rot all the leaves, and it can be, later time it can be rusted in our roofs. So we're taking care of that. So this is already trim, cut all the trees that was near to our house. And also this area, this is the most favorite one soon, because this is the outdoor kitchen. So I can cook dried fish here, but that would be later. Yeah, I can cook dried fish here. I can cook anything that whenever I cook, it's gonna be a good. Smells good. All right, I think that's it. What else? Yeah, soon this driver will maura to. Maura to bye na ay kay wala na. Unsa naman na? Oh, maura jud to siya. That's it for today, guys. And if I'm si Shu na lang diri mo kung ano ninyo mo translate sa English kay wala na jud ko English. See you guys later. Bye. Oh, pat yan na.
Asa man kaning
Oh.